to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a professional hair clipper. It is the K11S, a dual mode cordless cord use 4-hour runtime hair clippers. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is by this brand right here, GLAKER. I think that's how you say that. So let's go ahead and open this up and get right into this. I will be linking where you can actually purchase this down in the description box below if you guys are interested. And it tells you everything that's included in it. Hold on, let me go ahead and take this off. Right here. So it tells you all the different pieces that it does have, which is nice. And then it comes in this really nice carrying case, which is very convenient. It's like a hard back carrying case. So super good for storage. And then this is what the product itself looks like. So it does come with this right here, which is probably a cover for when you're getting your hair done. So it's one of those things that you'll just tie over you while you're getting your hair done. I'll fold this up in a second. It does come with a little USB charger that'll connect to the device itself. It has left and right little clippers. So it does come with an instruction manual and a warranty right here, and it tells you how to clean it and everything, which is really nice. So like I said, it does come with the left and right, and it comes with A and B right here. So I'm sure it tells you more detail about that. It comes with a comb that's really good for when you're just blending everything in. And then it has your numbers right here. So it has a number 11, a number 10. So this is a number 11, huge, a number 10, and a number 9. It comes with some oil for your device itself. And then it comes from a number 1, and of course all the way to the 10, which the other ones were on the other side. So 1 to 10, which is pretty standard. And then this is what the clippers themselves look like. It does come with this little protector right here. And then you can adjust this right there. So these are, it got a really good weight to it. You can tell that it's not like cheaply made. And then it does tell you what the power is. It's at 100% right now, which is nice. It says that it does have 4-hour runtime, which is really good. It also comes with this little brush so that you can clean it. You can actually take off these and really clean it really good, like if it gets to where it's not working great. I have to do that with mine. So it does come with that. And then when you're charging it, you'll just plug this. It says not to plug it into like a phone charger. You want to find like I have the like little plugins on my wall to where I can plug directly into the wall with a USB. Something like that would work really well. But you just plug this in down here to charge it up, but it's already at 100%, so it does not need to be charged. Let me see if I can't get one of my boys and edge the back of their head. They've all got haircuts, so they really don't need a haircut. But you could always use a good edging. So let me go grab one of them real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, his hair is not bad, but he can use edging up. His hair is not fixed right now, but when it's fixed, it's super cute. So let me see. Look straight up, bend your head back. Okay, sit up straight. Sit up straight. Bend your head down. So I'm just going to turn it on. I'm going to edge him up real quick. So as you can see, it cuts actually really good. Let me go ahead and get my dog to see if I can't get a little piece of her hair. Good job, bro. I just want to show you guys how good. I'm just going to cut a little piece of her hair off because she's a Pomeranian. She could use it anyway. So I'm just going to turn it on and I'm watch. Like, I'm just going to get a piece of this. You see, it cuts really good. I used to cut her hair, but because it snows where I live, and it's about to be winter. I mean, it's August, so I don't want to cut her hair. I don't want her to cut her hair and then her not have her winter coat for the winter time. And you're not supposed to actually shave Pomeranian's hair anyway. That's why her hair is not as fluffy as it should be, is because I've shaved her like a lion before. But yeah, they work really, really good. And I would highly recommend if you're looking for a new set of clippers. I'm not really good at cutting hair, to be honest with you. I've jacked my kids' hair so many times that I've just been taking them in. But if you're brave enough, or like during COVID, you had to cut your kids' hair, okay? Like nothing was open. So if something happens and another breakout comes, these are really good to have around. You can use it on human or dog hair like you've seen. It cut really, really well. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.